All of the Years is a song that I came out with. It's a hit single. Uh, it's it hasn't quite come out yet. It's not up, I don't think, but it should be out tomorrow if it's not out tonight. And but it's a hit single. All of the Years. Yeah, it's just about like childhood and um, some experiences that people had, and a little story about uh, something I experienced in life that was really should be generalized and expressed abstractly because it's told as a specific story, and it wasn't really a specific incident or anything that occurred. It was just as it should be generalized and abstractly described so that we can explain it, um, explain the experience that I experienced. So it's just some experiences in life, that I had that should be more general than specific. And so, I've been doing everything I can to make it happen. And I came out with this song, All of the Years, because I wanted to come out with another hit single and express another point of view to you all and connect with you all once again. I just came out with an album called Good Times, and that's out already if you haven't seen that yet, if you haven't listened to that yet. That's out. Good Times. It's on Spotify, iTunes, Pandora, iHeartRadio, Apple Music. Should be on Deezer soon. Um, so check out my album Good Times, and check out my new hit single All of the Years when it comes out. It should be out soon. And so I hope that everybody's doing okay. Hope that all my fans are feeling good. All my fans, all my listeners. And I hope that everybody out there is keeping up with the times. You know, I hope you got your eyes peeled for what's on the horizon, keeping up with the news and what have you. So I think that the planet's headed in a positive direction right now. I don't I don't tend to focus on all the negativity and all the bad news. I look at what's positive and what's happening that's positive in life, and I look at nature and the environment and so forth, and see that the environment seems to be healing, and nature is taking its course, and the animals are thriving and surviving, and we're still on this planet. The human race is still surviving, and I think that if we try hard, we can keep things going for quite some time. So let's put out an effort to survive and to keep each other doing well and to help each other and help nature survive, help the human race survive, and to help the animals survive and wildlife survive. So let's really put out an effort to help nature thrive and survive. So I just wanted to express that to you and to let you know that I'm hopeful towards the future, and I want you to listen to my album Good Times and all of the years, the hit single All of the Years when it comes out. So I'll be talking to you. Take care.